What's up, everybody? This is attorney Dan Wynn here, and I want to share a little bit about corporations and if you are in the insurance business. And so I recently formed a new corporation for one of my clients, and they are in the life insurance business. And so there are benefits for creating a corporation if you're an agency. Um, there are liability protection benefits, and there are some tax benefits uh, as well. And so if you're not an agent or are with the agency that allows uh, um, uh, entities to be contracted, think about forming a corporation uh, to uh, um, to accept payments for your production. Now, if you're in California, there's one thing you need, a couple of things you need to know. So California recently moved on to a third-party service to handle their name approval requests. So for the license renewals, I believe they've been using Circon for a little bit, but now um, you do have to get your corporate name approved by essentially the Department of Insurance before you can actually register that with the Secretary of State. And so the guidelines are the name insurance has to be in it, and then also has to be followed by any of these names: agency, services, a marketing, sales, center, or solution. So ABC Insurance Agency, ABC Insurance Services, ABC Insurance Marketing, ABC Insurance Sales, ABC Insurance Center, or ABC Insurance Solutions are all possible names that may be approved by the uh, uh, Department of Insurance. Now, they do ask kind of preferences, like, hey, what's like 1 through 5? So come up with a handful of names that you want um, uh, um, when you submit your application. So if the first one's taken, then you can get a second one. And the second one's taken, you get your third one. And so from there, once you get the approval, you submit that with the your articles of incorporation to the Secretary of State, and then they go through their own approval process. But typically, it's a little bit harder, or the Department of Insurance is the approval is what you need first, and then Secretary of State does their own kind of quick search, see if there's any conflicting names. So one thing you should do is also look on the Secretary of State website to see if there's any conflicting names of the insurance name you want, and if there are, then can I go back to the drawing board and pick some other names. So hey, this is Dan talking about corporations. If you're in the insurance business and if you are looking to form a corporation for your insurance business, there are some naming requirements and approval that you need to do with the Department of Insurance first before you can submit your documents to the California Secretary of State. If you need help forming your corporation or LLC, or need help navigating the Department of Insurance name approval process, reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. All right, this is Dan. Talk to you soon.